Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the best superfoods for gut health. It's not just about digestion, we're talking about immunity, mental clarity, even your mood. That's why I'm so excited to share some natural ways to support your gut health using the power of superfoods. We'll be exploring 10 incredible foods that can make a real difference in how you feel. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a classic yogurt. Yogurt is a powerhouse of probiotics, those beneficial bacteria that live in your gut. Think of them as the good guys fighting the good fight against the bad bacteria, keeping everything in balance. You want to look for yogurt that says live and active cultures on the label. Greek yogurt is a great choice too, because it's higher in protein, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. You can have it for breakfast, as a snack, or even use it in smoothies and dips. Get creative and your gut will thank you. Remember, a healthy gut starts with the right fuel, and yogurt is a fantastic place to begin. Next up, we have kefir, a fermented milk drink that has been enjoyed for centuries in various cultures around the world. It's like yogurt's tangier, more adventurous cousin, offering a unique taste experience. Kefir is made by fermenting milk with kefir grains, which are small gelatinous clusters. These grains are actually a combination of bacteria and yeast, working together in harmony. This unique fermentation process gives kefir its signature tangy flavor, which many people find refreshing. It also creates a diverse range of probiotics, beneficial bacteria that support gut health. Kefir is actually quite versatile. You can enjoy it straight up as a refreshing drink, add it to smoothies for an extra probiotic boost, or use it in place of milk or yogurt in various recipes, from baking to salad dressings. One of my favorite ways to enjoy kefir is in a breakfast parfait. It's a delightful way to start the day. I layer kefir with granola, fresh berries, and a drizzle of honey for a delicious and gut-healthy start to the day. Kefir is generally well tolerated by most people, but if you're new to fermented foods, it's best to start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake to allow your body to adjust. And as always, if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions, it's a good idea to talk to your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet. Moving on to another fermented favorite, sauerkraut. This tangy cabbage condiment has been enjoyed for centuries, and for good reason. Sauerkraut is teeming with probiotics and enzymes that work wonders for your gut health. Studies have shown that sauerkraut can help improve digestion, reduce bloating, and even boost your immune system. You can enjoy it traditionally with sausages or on a Reuben sandwich, but get this, you can add it to salads for a tangy crunch, stir it into soups for a flavor boost, or even use it as a topping for tacos. When choosing sauerkraut, opt for unpasteurized varieties, as pasteurization can kill off those beneficial probiotics. Look for sauerkraut in the refrigerated section of your grocery store, or better yet, try making your own at home. Alright guys, let's talk about kimchi, the spicy, funky, and utterly delicious Korean staple that's become a regular in my fridge. Kimchi is a fermented cabbage dish that's loaded with probiotics, just like sauerkraut. But what sets kimchi apart is its unique blend of spices, including garlic, ginger, red pepper flakes, and gochugaru, which is Korean chili powder. These spices not only give kimchi its signature kick, but also offer additional health benefits. I noticed a significant difference in my digestion. Bloating? Gone. That sluggish feeling? History. You can add it to stir fries, rice bowls, or even use it as a topping for eggs. Start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake. Let's move on to another fermented gem, miso. Miso is a traditional Japanese seasoning made by fermenting soybeans with salt and koji, a type of fungus. This fermentation process creates a paste that's bursting with umami flavor and gut-healthy benefits. Miso is a good source of probiotics, which we know are essential for a healthy gut. Studies have shown that miso may help improve digestion, boost the immune system, and even reduce the risk of certain cancers. If you're watching your sodium intake, look for low-sodium miso varieties. One of the easiest ways to incorporate miso into your diet is by making miso soup. Simply dissolve a tablespoon or two of miso paste in hot water, add your favorite vegetables and tofu, and enjoy. We're switching gears now from fermented foods to other superfoods that pack a punch when it comes to gut health. And let's be honest, who doesn't love garlic? This pungent ingredient adds incredible flavor to dishes, but it's also been recognized for its medicinal properties for centuries. When it comes to your gut, garlic acts as a potent prebiotic. Garlic in particular contains a type of prebiotic fiber called inulin, which has been shown to promote the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut. This, in turn, can help improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and strengthen your immune system. You can enjoy garlic raw, roasted, or cooked into your favorite dishes. If you're sensitive to garlic, start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake. Let's talk about ginger, another culinary superstar with a long history of medicinal use, especially when it comes to digestive health. Ginger has this incredible ability to soothe the gut, making it a go-to remedy for nausea, indigestion, and bloating. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogols, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm the digestive tract. Now, incorporating ginger into your diet is incredibly easy. You can enjoy it fresh, powdered, or even pickled. One of my favorite ways to enjoy ginger is in a soothing cup of ginger tea. Simply simmer a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. Remember, a happy gut starts with a happy you, and ginger can be your secret weapon for digestive harmony. Now let's talk about almonds. Those crunchy, satisfying nuts that are not only delicious but also incredibly good for you, especially when it comes to gut health. These little powerhouses pack a punch in more ways than one. Almonds are a fantastic source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which is essential for keeping things moving smoothly in your digestive system. This fiber helps to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation, making sure your digestive tract stays in top shape. Almonds are also a good source of prebiotics, those gut-friendly fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut, helping them flourish and do their job effectively. These beneficial bacteria play a crucial role in digestion and overall health. Studies have even shown that consuming almonds regularly can increase the diversity of your gut bacteria, which is linked to better overall health. A diverse gut microbiome is associated with a stronger immune system, improved mood, and even better weight management. They make a great snack on their own, but you can also add them to trail mixes, yogurt, oatmeal, or even salads for a satisfying crunch. The versatility of almonds means you can enjoy them in many different ways. You can also try almond butter as a spread on toast or crackers, or use it in smoothies and desserts. Almond butter adds a rich, nutty flavor that enhances any dish. So, whether you're snacking on whole almonds or incorporating almond butter into your meals, you're doing your gut a big favor. Enjoy the benefits of these tiny but mighty gut health supporters every day. Let's talk about chia seeds, those tiny nutritional powerhouses that have gained immense popularity in recent years. These little seeds are not just a trend, they are a staple in many health-conscious diets for good reason. These little seeds pack a serious punch when it comes to gut health. They are loaded with essential nutrients that can make a big difference in your digestive system. Chia seeds are an incredible source of fiber, with a whopping 10 grams of fiber per ounce. This high fiber content helps to keep things moving smoothly through your digestive tract. My digestion improved significantly, and I felt lighter and more energized. The fiber in chia seeds acts like a broom, sweeping through your intestines and helping to eliminate waste. Chia seeds are also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit gut health. These healthy fats are crucial for maintaining a balanced and healthy gut environment. These healthy fats can help reduce inflammation in the gut, which can be particularly helpful for people with inflammatory bowel disease or IBD. Reducing inflammation can lead to a more comfortable and healthier digestive experience. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile. You can add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even sprinkle them on salads. Their mild flavor makes them easy to incorporate into a variety of dishes without overpowering the taste. One of my favorite ways to enjoy chia seeds is in chia seed pudding. It's a delicious and nutritious treat that can be enjoyed any time of the day, packed with all the benefits chia seeds have to offer. Now let's talk about apple cider vinegar, a popular home remedy that's often touted for its potential health benefits, including gut health. Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting apple cider, which produces acetic acid, the active compound that gives vinegar its sour taste and potential health properties. Some people believe that apple cider vinegar can help improve digestion by increasing stomach acid production. However, there's limited scientific evidence to support this claim. It's important to note that apple cider vinegar is highly acidic and can erode tooth enamel if consumed undiluted. If you choose to consume apple cider vinegar, it's best to dilute it with water or consume it as part of a meal. Proceed with caution and consult your doctor if you have any concerns. And there you have it, 10 superfoods that can work wonders for your gut health. Remember, a healthy gut is crucial for overall health and well-being. By incorporating these superfoods into your diet, you'll be well on your way to a happier, healthier you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. See you next time.